hellworld Gehenna. Under cover of an ash storm, the infernal bugs have launched a major assault down from the volcanic mountains. To hold the line, the Sky Marshal has personally ordered more mobile infantry be sent to this vital planet. Hang on, Gehenna. The good guys are coming.
Problems, Director? We just cleared out another bug hive, and now all I'm hearing on the radio is your people calling for help.
For every action, there's a reaction. These hive purges must have provoked the Arachnids, and now they've overrun several facilities.
So why don't you just call in your new mobile infantry buddies?
I can't bring in any reinforcements while this ash storm is happening.
So you're stuck with us, huh? Okay, we'll clear those areas and get your people out of there. But it's gonna cost you extra.
Engineers, follow me.
Of course.
Movement! Something coming at us, out of cover of the ash storm.
Anything for the right price.
Sir! It pays the bills. We follow the money. It pays the bills.
Ash storm's easing off. At least now we can see what's coming at us.
Contract accepted. It pays the bills. We follow the money.
Sir, intel
Contract
reports a new
accepted.
bug threat in our
It pays
sector.
the bills.
Immolators! Shit! We are not being paid enough to go up against these things.
Money we follow the money. Let's claim that bounty. What do you have for us?
Contract
Engineers
accepted. We
report.
follow the money. Sir!
Tell us what to do.
Anything? Contract accepted.
Sir!
Pays the bill.
Tell us what
we
to do.
follow the money.
Engineers reporting.
Money contract accepted.
Sir, affirmative. Engineers report. Engineers, follow me. Affirmative. Tell us what to do.
You got a job for
Contract
Sir,
us?
accepted.
engineers, tell us what to do.
Awaiting
We follow the
contract.
money.
Money
It pays
tops.
the bills. Let's claim that bounty. Got a job for us.
She's got a job for us? Anything for the right
Contract
price.
accepted.
Someone get on that biped! It's what we need to take on these immolator bugs!
Waiting contract.
Speak up. This thing is loud. Gears and drills, ready for thrills.
Tell us what to do.
It pays the bills. We follow the money.
Firing up the engine.
Sir, roger that. Engineers, follow me.
Oiled up and good to
Firing
go.
up. What do you have
It
for
pays
us?
the bills.
Speak up. This thing is loud.
Tell us
Yes,
what to
sir.
do.
Money
Stash
tops.
your tools and move out.
Fraser, receiving reports of a large Arachnid horde west of your current locale.
Waiting contract.
Any update on reinforcements for us?
Engineers report. Engineers, follow me.
Dropship still can't fly through the ash storm. You're on your own.
Let's get this
Tell
thing
us what to
moving.
do. Sir,
We follow the money. It pays the bills. We follow the money.
Gears firing up the engine. Let's get this thing moving. Oiled up and good to go.
Confirmed. Get ready. That Arachnid horde is heading straight for you.
Firing up
You
the
and your
engine.
people are well paid, Fraser. This is where you earn it.
Waiting contract.
Yeah, real comforting.
Gears, let's get this thing moving. Firing up the engine. Drilling my way through. This is gonna be...
Watch out! Bugs coming at us from two directions!
Tell us what to do.
We follow the money. Let's make some money.
Got a job for us?
Awaiting contract.
What do you have for us?
Engineers, follow me. Affirmative. Roger that. Stash your tools.
Money talks. What do you have for us?
Sir, affirmative.
Gears
Yes,
and
sir.
drills?
Roger that. Affirmative.
Good news. The ash storm is passing over. You're free to call in
Engineers
reinforcements.
reporting. Yes, sir.
Good, because we're gonna need them.
Oiled up and good to go.
This thing moving.
Bomb
Firing
phase is
up the
operational,
engine.
sir.
Bugs coming at us from everywhere.
Waiting pays the bill.
It's like they were waiting for us.
Accepted. We follow the money.
Got it, John. Contract accepted.
Here's
Let's get this
Engineers
thing
report. Affirmative.
Gears I know the drill. Let's get this thing
Alert.
moving.
Bug
Sir,
attack
stash
inbound.
your tools.
Awaiting follow the
Tell us what to do. Engineers, follow me.
oiled up and good to go.
Engineers, stash your tools. Engineers, follow me.
I know the drill.
What do you have for us? Money talks.
got a job for us.
This thing moving.
Firing up the engine. Oiled up, let's grind it to a halt.
What do you have for us? Got a job for us.
Tell us what to do.
Speak up. These things
Gears and drills. Get this thing moving. Oiled up and good to go.
The facility's ahead of you. You need to clear it of arachnid infestation.
Waiting contract.
On it.
And you need to move faster. We're tracking another approaching ash storm.
Enough supply capacity, sir.
Just what we need.
Money talks.
Contract accepted. Pays the bills.
Gears and drills ready for thrills.
We follow the money. Contract accepted. We follow the money.
gears and drills.
Sir.
Ready for thrills.
Tell us what to do. Affirmative.
We'll get the job done.
Engineers reporting.
And he pays the bills. Contract accepted.
Oiled up and good to
Tell us what engineers, follow me.
Let's make some money.
Sir, Intel reports a new bug threat has
Firing up the engine. I know the drill.
Engineers,
Got a job for
I
us.
know the drill. Gears and drills. Ready for drills.
Money talks.
Money talks.
roger that.
gears and drills. Go to kill.
Let's grind it.
Awaiting content the jackpot.
Waiting contract.
Oiled up and good to go. Let's get this thing moving. Gears and
We
drills.
follow the money. Pays the bills.
Race
Tell us what to do.
We follow the money. Pays the bills. Contract accepted. You pay, we kill.
firing up the engine.
Money, we follow the money.
Sir,
We don't have enough supply capacity, sir.
Let's get this thing moving.
What do you have for us?
tell us what to do.
Contract accepted. We follow the money.
Anything follow the money.
Awaiting contract. What do you have for us? Contract accepted.
Gears and
Stash your
drills.
tools and move out.
Oiled up and good to go. Speak up. This thing is
Sir,
loud. Gears and drills, ready for thrills.
You got a job for us? We follow the money.
Tell us what to do.
Speak up! This thing is loud. Anything for the right price.
Sir!
Firing up the engine! Speak up!
Engineers are done.
Gears and drills. Let's get this thing moving. Oiled up and good to go. I know the drill. Firing up the engine.
Sir! Yes, sir!
Got a job.
Let's get this thing moving. Firing up the engine. Let's get this thing moving. Speak up. Oiled up and good. Firing up the engine.
Engineers are done.
Gears and drills. Speak up. Get this thing moving. Firing up the engine. Let's grind it. I know the drill.
Tell us what to do.
Speak up.
Stash your tools and affirmative. Sir!
Speak up. Oiled up and good to go.
Stash your tools and move out.
Awaiting contract.
Oiled up and good to go.
Anything pays the bills.
Tell us what to do. Engineers reporting.
Awaiting contract accepted. What do you have for us?
Sir! Engineers, follow me. Yes, sir. Stash your tools and move out.
Firing up the engine.
Got a job. Follow the money. Contract accepted. Waiting pays the bills. Anything for the right contract price. Accepted.
Pays the bills.
Drills, I know the drill. Let's get this thing moving.
Engineers reporting.
Gears and drills, ready for.
What do you have for us?
Looking for the right price.
Oiled up and good to go.
Sir!
Firing up the engine.
Got a job.
Speak up. Shifting gears.
Oh, that's nice.
Engineers reporting.
I'm a killing machine.
Sir!
I know it.
Engineers reporting.
Firing up the engine. Firing up the engine. I know it. Firing up the engine. Brace for it.
Tell us what to do. Engineers, follow me.
Money talks.
Engineers reporting.
Waiting pays the bills.
Stash your tools and move out. Roger that.
Gears and drills, ready for thrills.
Tell us what to do.
Operational, sir.
That ash storm will soon be on you. Call in any reinforcements you need now. After it hits, you'll be cut off again.
A Festar Corps not providing more help? That's contract work for you. No benefits.
You got a job for us?
Stash your tools and affirmative.
We gotta keep moving. If we stop, they'll surround and swarm us.
Pays the bills.
Sir, stash your tools and
Money
move out.
talks.
Keep going through them. The processing plant's just ahead.
The ash storm's almost on you. In moments, it'll be too severe to risk any more dropships.
Right price.
Engineers, follow me. Roger that.
That's it. We're cut off. Gotta hold out until the storm's passed.
Contract accepted.
Tell us what to do.
Accept.
Let's
A
grind it.
unit has been promoted, sir.
Speak up. This thing is loud. Oiled up and good to go. Speak up. This thing is loud. I'm drilling my way.
Waiting pays the bills.
Roger that.
Ready to run. Speak up. This firing up the engine.
Anything?
Let's get this thing moving. Oiled up
Engineers reporting. Tell us what engineers, follow me. Roger that.
Speak up! This thing is loud! You got a job for us? What do you have for us?
Gears and drills, ready for...
Gears and drills, ready for drills!
Item number.
Waiting contract.
Gears and drills.
Engineers reporting.
There it is, the processing plant. Gunfire from it. Some of our people are still holding out there.
Tools, roger that.
Come on, let's help them out.
Let's grind it.
Tell us what to do.
Sounds like a
Money
good
talks.
I know the drill. Gears and drills. I'm a killing machine.
What do you have for us? Follow the money.
The jackpot.
Money talks.
Firing up the engine. Boiled up and good. Firing up the engine. This
Got a
is
job for us?
drill.
And he pays the bill.
Speak up. Boiled up and good to go. Let's get this thing moving.
Sir,
I'm a killing machine. Let's grind it.
engineers report.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Drills. Speak up. Load it up.
Hold your fire, we're friendlies. Okay, let's turn this place into a fortress. Bugs are gonna be on us any moment.
Money talks. Follow the money.
Remember, we're on our own here until that storm clears.
You've got a job for us.
Tell us what to do.
Gears and drills. Ready for... I know the drill. Let's get this thing moving.
Our war support has increased, sir.
Boiled up and good to go. Speak up. This thing is loud.
Accepted. That pays the bills.
Awaiting contract.
Alert.
We
Bug
follow
attack
money.
inbound.
Gears and drills. I know that he...
Sir, affirmative.
Any contract accepted. We follow the money.
Much sounds like a good workout. Let's bring the
Contract accepted.
Give us something. I know the drill. I'm a killing machine. Load it up.
Money talks.
Roger that.
What do you have for us?
Tell us what to do. Sir, engineers, follow me.
Give us something that sounds like a good workout. Let's bring the thunder.
Engineers reporting.
And he pays the bills.
Speak firing up the engine.
Awaiting contract.
Sir,
Patel, you there? Storm's over, the skies are clear. And you owe us a whole bunch of bonus payments.
tell us what to do.
Understood. I'm sending mobile infantry reinforcements to your position now.
What do you have for us?
Let's show these MI new arrivals how we kill bugs in the private sector.
Sir, intel
Roger
reports a
that.
new bug threat in our
Engineers, follow me.
sector. Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Sir, affirmative.
Much to finish. Gears and drills.
Follow the money.
Construction complete.
Anything for the right price.
I want a fire position. Over there.
Much to finish. Speak up. This thing is loud.
Stash your tools and move out.
Ready to grow.
Pays the bill.
Give us something to do.
What do you have for us? We'll get the job done.
Sir, yes, sir. Engineers reporting. Affirmative. Roast them and toast them.
Dropships engaged elsewhere. We've got a unit under
Yes, sir.
attack.
Affirmative.
Stand up and good to go.
We've got a unit under attack.
Sir. Yeah, I know the drill.
Construction complete.
What do you need?
How much do you bet?
Fair job for the
Speak up! Wow! Sir. Yes, sir.
Ready to go?
You can stand down now, Fraser. I'm sending Captain Zhao and further mobile infantry forces to take over from you and your people. The dropships will bring you back to the station.
Construction complete.
You serious? Pack up and let the feds take over when the battle isn't done yet?
The mobile infantry are a highly skilled military force.
Yeah, and they don't cost you anything. Unlike us.
Dropships
I've
engaged.
made my decision. Return to the station. And need I remind you of the clause in your contract about the penalty for disobeying company directives being the forfeiture of old bonuses?
Additional funds have been transferred.
Sir.
Speak up! This thing is loud!
The mercenaries started this bug battle, but we'll show them how to finish it.
Ready for thrill.
Get ready to repulse the Arachnid assault!
Sir. Affirmative.
Yes, sir. Moving to position. Roger that.
What do you need? Move out.
Spoiled up and good to go. Let's get this thing moving.
Look alive, squad. Engineers, now hear
Alert.
this.
know
Bug
the
attack
drill.
inbound.
I know the drill.
Sir. Yes, sir. Squad, follow me. Affirmative.
Gears
Look alive, squad. Squad, open fire!
Get ready. Ready to bust. Sir. One away. Get ready.
Sir, roger that. Squad, open fire! Squad, open fire! Come on, people!
I'm a killing it.
Look affirmative.
Get ready.
Sir. Squad, and roger that. Look alive. Yes, sir. Here's the drill. Sir. Speak up! This is loud!
I know the drill. This is gonna be
Look alive, squad.
sir.
Sir.
Gears and drills. Look alive.
Speak up. This thing's loud.
Troopers, standing by.
Ready to rock. Roger that.
Here's the drill.
Gears and
Affirmative. Roger that. Squad, open fire! Yes, sir. Squad, open fire!
Sir.
Squad moving out.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. If we ain't dying, we ain't.
Squad, open fire! Affirmative. Squad, follow me. Squad, open fire!
Standing by.
Race for impact. Firing up the engine.
gears and
Construction complete.
Sir, roger that.
Roger that. Affirmative.
Roger that.
Processing plant secured, ma'am. The bug infestation here has been eradicated.
Roger that.
Excellent work, Captain. I knew it was the right decision to bring you and your people to help us on Gehenna.
Squad.